What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. We kicking back, relaxing in the backyard. It's a nice, beautiful day in Northern California. The sun is shining. The day is looking beautiful. And not only that, cryptocurrency is doing its thing. Bitcoin is looking beautiful. Bitcoin is looking like it came straight out of California with that nice bright sunshine. It's pumping. Bitcoin is sitting at $70,000. We're heading in the upward direction. Ethereum is starting to take off. Ethereum is at $3,800. It's up 22% in one day. We know the all-time high for Ethereum is $4,800. We have some great news in store for the spot Ethereum ETF. The ruling will be in a few days to decide will it be approved for the spot Ethereum ETF or not. We are just a few days away from that. But today we will be talking about one of the hottest meme coins out there, and that is none other than MiLady meme coin. Currently, MiLady meme coin is at 6 zeros and 21. This is the number 350th largest altcoins in the world. This is one of the most popular meme coins. Have been getting a lot of traction. The market cap for this coin is $149 million. So the market cap is still very low. This coin still have a lot of room to run. This, like I said before, this is one of the most popular meme coins out there. This is one of the coins that Elon Musk talked about last year. He tweeted, because this is a meme coin that came from an NFT, and he tweeted about this particular NFT last year, which caught a lot of attention, a lot of eyes. That thing started to run and started to pump, and then the doggone meme coin was created out of the NFT. So all it's going to take is for our buddy Elon Musk to come back to the scene. I'm sure he got something set up. He got something planned because he is very strategic and he loved to make a lot of money. We've seen how he did in the last cycle when he made so much money off the hype of Dogecoin, the tweets that he was doing. He was just made a massive amount of money, and everybody who followed him also made a massive amount of money. So you definitely don't want to miss this cycle with MiLady meme coin and how he's going to be pressing that tweet button and saying different things to get the excitement going, to get the rally going in this particular meme coin. MiLady meme coin is right up there with Turbo. It's right up there with Bonk. It's right up there with Pepe. These meme coins have been running early. We are months away from altcoin season. We know first Bitcoin start to blow off top. Then after that, we see Ethereum starts to outperform Bitcoin. Then after that, we are expecting the large cap coins to start to go parabolic. After that, then we will be setting up and getting ready for the fourth phase, which is altcoin season. Once altcoin season comes, you can best believe that these doggone meme coins will be some of the main ones that will be running up and pumping 60% in one day. As you can see, MiLady meme coin is up 40% just today, and we're nowhere near altcoin season. So, like I say, this is a super cycle. There have been a lot of positive catalysts that have been coming throughout this particular cycle. We've seen the spot Bitcoin ETF in January 10th. We've seen the large institutions, some of the big money, finally start to come into the cryptocurrency space. Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, just to name a few. BlackRock, Fidelity, I mean, all the big dogs, they have come to the party. They are now sitting at the table. So this particular cycle is very different than the previous three cycles. We are in the midst of a super cycle. Bitcoin sitting at $70,000. Once it breaks its new all-time high, 73,000, and get to about 74,500, you can best believe that that thing is going to take off, because that will be a new all-time high. There will no longer be a ceiling for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will probably shoot to $82,000, $85,000 easy before it start to have a correction, before it start to have a pullback, a retrace. Now, like I also say, you also want to pay attention to the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index currently is about 70. We know we can expect and ride the fear and greed index all the way up to 90, 92 before we are to expect another major correction, 25%, 30% pullback. The Bitcoin dominance is starting to shrink as Ethereum starts to pump, as these altcoins start to pump. The Bitcoin dominance start to decrease. It start to reduce, and that is a great sign that altcoin season is right around the corner, just months away. So things are lining up too good. Things are lining up perfect as we had laid it out, perfect as we had expected it. You know, it's kind of like we got the doggone cheat codes, but it's just the fact that we have been trusting the process. We have been studying the 4-year charts, the 4 phases, and we understand the complete cycle of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin halving, etc. So we're going to expect to continue to dominate this bull market. We've already done 100x in several coins. We did 100x in Pendle. We did 100x in the AIOZ network. You know, there's so many coins that we picked, and we were accumulating early in 2023 when the price would beat down, when the price was very low. So we did a lot of research, got lucky at the same time, but nonetheless, we have picked several coins that have already done 100x and that have placed our portfolio in a great position to only be 4 weeks into the Bitcoin halving. So 2024, things are looking good. Things are lining up just the way we expect them to go. $70,000 for one Bitcoin right now. $3,800 for one Ethereum coin right now. Things are looking lovely. MiLady meme coin is up 40% on the day. There's so many other altcoins that is pumping, that is up throughout the day. You know, come on over there and join us in the Patreon. I would love to give you a little more in-depth detail about what's going on with the doggone 4-year cycle, what to expect, and some of the plays that you should be looking at, and how you should kind of be having your portfolio situated in preparation for the bull market, in preparation for altcoin season, so you can make exponential gains as we head to achieve financial freedom and become new cryptocurrency millionaires. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good motivation, coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.